Oh.
Air 101, the male subject is picking up a rifle, and he's still at the white car in the driveway.
Looks like a pump pellet gun.
He is pumping it.
Air 101, I copy. The female is picking up the rifle and by a white vehicle in the driveway.
Negative. The male subject. He's holding the rifle in the front yard of the residence. Let him know he was
Copy. The male is holding the rifle.
Yeah, I think it's a pellet gun.
a pellet gun. Control Air 101. Just for info, it looked like he was pumping the rifle. It could be a possible pellet gun.
Control Q7.
I copy. Looked like he was pumping the rifle, possibly a pellet gun. No use. Channel 1 is 1033.
Q7.
Q7.
Let's close down traffic.
Advising is probably a BB gun. Can we possibly start the armored truck, please?
I copy. Request to start armored truck.
Yeah, once he grabbed it, I winded it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Nice off of Q4 route.
I think it's shut down traffic. Don't want people going in front of them.
34. Back, Control Air 101. I would have some units shut down traffic on Hickman Road.
Air 101, I copy. You shut down traffic on Hickman. Security check.
Very good, code 4.
Throwing his beer in there.
Air 101, he's putting some objects in the rear seat now. And it looks like he's going to be getting in the driver's seat.
I copy. Putting something in the rear seat, getting in the driver's seat.
That's the rifle. Control Air 101, looks like he put the rifle in the front seat with him. He's still loading some things in the truck though.
I copy. Put the rifle in the front seat with him. All units clear the road.
100 miles an hour.
Vehicles northbound, 100 miles per hour. Hickman.
Northbound, 100 miles per hour.
He's not stopping. Still northbound, over 100 miles per hour. TC, start 1141, code 3.
Back. Rolling, get back. Get back. Everybody in the orchard now. Hey, back up. Go. He's breathing. Hey, he's breathing. Okay, contact team. Fire extinguisher now. Here. Hold the pin. Here, grab this. Daddy, we have the contact. Hey, cover me. Let's go. Move up. Get that shield up. Start going him out. Willie, you got the hands on? Someone get less lethal. Come on, bud. Got you. Go. Roll him. Go. Okay, flip him. Flip. Hey, he's still breathing. He's good. Still breathing. He's breathing. All right, let's hit recovery. He's still breathing. Let him breathe. He's breathing. So let him breathe. Hey, Resga. Yeah. Oh, Resga needs to do medical aid. Give me this. Okay. Still breathing. Flipping. Check his back. Hey, cut an entry point to that fence. Yeah. Watch out. You gotta check his legs too. Make sure we got nothing bleeding out, guys. Rip that pan up quick. Hey, is he stopped? All right, start CPR. Nope, wait, we're good. Still breathing. Come on, buddy. Hey, Foster. Here. Stand there. Breathing? Yeah, get these pants off. Up. You stop? Hey, start CPR. Start CPR. Just keep going. Start